Today we're going to install the under trunk light bar onto this 2015 Goldwing. These are for the 2012 to 2017 wing and very simple to install. Now in the box we have the lights, obviously. Now in the box you have your two lights and your connecting cable as required. Now if you haven't already got it installed, you will need to install this wiring harness. We'll go through that now in a minute. The first thing we've got to do now is remove the seat from the bike. Remember to unplug your seat. As you can see, we don't have the wiring harness installed in this bike, so we'll go ahead now and install one. So as you can see there, plug and play. And we'll just tuck everything as neatly as we can back under the frame. Before you peel off the backing, just line up your light just to see where you're doing it. Do it in line with the saddlebags. Follow that contour. So then we'll peel off the backing. And I would just give it a blast of a heat gun or a hair dryer or anything like that just to activate the glue. Now be very careful, because once they stick on there, once they make contact, they stick on very fast. Push them up. That's them fairly secure. And the cable just running behind the little glove box at the back. You connect it in, plug into your harness and plug your light in there. You then go do the same on the other side. After you finish that, then just make sure you get the wiring correct. That's your lights coming on. They work as a running light and an indicator. Now if you really want to, you can change the wiring and have the indicator running as a brake light. It's up to you. It's only a small bit of change in the wiring. These lights are available on our site at www.shinywing.com, part number SW1010. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe down below.